Looking for a canal front home? Well then, let's talk. Happy Memorial Day, everyone. This is Christian Nabush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. Today I want to bring to your attention two homes that hit the market this weekend, both of them on the water, canal front homes here in the St. Pete Beach area, and they're both listed with Melinda Pletcher of Smith & Associates Real Estate. The first off, 3 bedroom, 3 bath, 2,442 square feet. And I had an opportunity to actually attend the open house for this home. It was remarkably well appointed. This home has been listed for $3,150,000, and it's to the nines. You have a beautiful open foyer, an open floor plan, three beautiful bedrooms with three open, wide walk-in closets, and the bathrooms in them are spa quality. I thought I was in Caesars in Vegas. It was amazing. And you can see from the pictures, the almost every side of the home has a view of the water. And from the main bedroom, the main living room, dining room combination, and the kitchen, you have wonderful views of the canal front. And the home is elevated above the canal, so essentially you're very well mitigated against floods from the potential storms that can hit this area of Florida. It's a lovely. I can't stress it enough. The way the home was furnished, and I believe the furniture is staying with the home for interested parties. This is a well appointed home and a great value at $3,150,000. Her other property, also in St. Pete Beach, is a 3 bedroom, 2 bath, slightly smaller at 1,683 square feet. And this home is on the market for $1,725,000. But same views, same waterfront opportunities, as well as both of them have pools and docks. And it's amazing what Melinda's been able to bring to the market. Both of them have open floor plans, and this one is a little bit more quaint. It's a bungalow style home, open floor plan as I mentioned, great furnishings in the kitchen. The flooring all throughout is consistent. The bedrooms are large, the walk-in closets, to die for. Now, if these homes are any other of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete, and I'd love to get you in contact with Melinda or a few other homes in the area that you might be interested in. Talk to you later.